Hey everybody. Well, trailing edge on this side is now glued and riveted in place. I'm glad that's done. At least half of it anyway now. Sticky stuff. It's awful. Gets on everything, but it will never come off. So that's done. Now I can start working on the left side. Tomorrow I'll do that. I got the header tank put back in again, and the sump drain and valve are in place. Everything is just finger tight right now. There will also be a Curtis valve on the bottom too. The valve I put in there just in case the Curtis valve leaks, because once you're in the plane, there's no way of seeing that if it is dripping or not. So the valve wasn't that expensive, so why not? It took a little while to get it figured out. It's been a while since I bent tubing and flared. You've got to have just enough room in order to get the flaring tool next to the bends, along with the nut and the collar, so that you've got room for everything. So trial and error, but I got that. I'm happy with that. That'll be good. So tomorrow it's work on the trailing edge on the other side, and I can start on the fuel tanks, getting them mounted, or at least bolted down, and getting the skins that go over, the aluminum skin that goes over the top of the tank, cover it up. So plenty of work there before I even start working on ailerons and flaps and the associated pulleys and all the related hardware. So that's all I got for now. Took me forever, but it's okay. It's one more thing done. Thanks for watching. Bye.